Check out this product, HY Pro Anywhere Table Tennis. This is the box. You can literally put it anywhere. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Straight away, looks like this. I thought it was gonna be packaged, but it's not really packaged. Literally, everything's just there. So I might as well just open it like this. Hang on. It's just there like that. So yeah, we have the actual net, 2 rackets or whatever you call them, bats, and 2 ping pong balls. Like, that's it. That is pretty much the whole thing. One more thing. This is probably instructions. Yeah, this is instructions. So it says pull and then click. Alright, let's try this out. That's so easy. That is so easy. Right, so this is how it works. What you do is you push down. So let's push that down and clip it in. It's literally that easy. Like, that's it. Ready?